Hey there everyone, this is Jessica from DomesticatedMe.com here with a very special FabFitFun box. This is their summer box and I can't tell you how excited I am for this. First of all, can I get a thumbs up? Please give me a thumbs up. How on brand am I today? I'm actually on vacation in Florida right now, and even though it's still technically spring, I am all in my summer vibes right now. So I even match the cute little teal box, see? We are at the beach, at the pool, definitely in a summer state of mind, so this box came in perfect time for our little vacation. If you're unfamiliar with FabFitFun, they are a seasonal subscription box, but what I love about this box in particular is that you're not only getting beauty or fashion, you're getting a little bit of everything. They have home decor, they have health products in here, health and fitness stuff, as well as some cute little fashion pieces, as well as some beauty favorites and products that you are gonna be the next big thing. I really love that because I've discovered some great brands in my previous boxes. I also am a huge fan that FabFitFun always partners with nonprofit organizations and a lot of women-owned businesses with their boxes. This season's box is in partnership with Make-A-Wish. Make-A-Wish has made the dreams come true for thousands of children with illnesses, and I'm so happy to hear that FabFitFun is also partnering with them for this box. And if you're unaware, FabFitFun is committing to lowering their carbon footprint, which is why their boxes are made out of recycled material. The paper included is also made from recycled material, and the boxes are smaller depending on what products are coming to you. But don't worry, you're still getting the same amount of products. They're just making their packages smaller and more eco-friendly. FabFitFun memberships are now more flexible than ever. Annual members can customize their entire box, while seasonal members will have one additional option to choose from. My personal favorite thing about FabFitFun is that it's not just beauty products or fashion. You get a little bit of everything. You get home decor, you get health and fitness products as well. And I love that you get to discover new brands and products. The value. You're getting so much bang for your buck with FabFitFun. Not to mention, you can save $10 when you use my code Domesticated10 to purchase your first FabFitFun box. Before I open the box, I have to show you this amazing packaging. I love the details that they always have in their boxes. Their boxes are always super cute, and I hate throwing them out. I actually wind up using it to store things because I just can't bring myself to throw them out. They're so cute. Oh, so cute. There's some ice cream cones, some popsicles, beach balls, sunglasses. Love that detail. Love it. So cute. Now with the FabFitFun VIP membership, you have the opportunity to actually pick out some of the products that will come in your box. So I did pick some of these out, but it's been a couple of weeks, so I actually don't remember. I remember some of the things that I picked out, but not all of them. But right at the top, I see a product right here, so I'm going to pick this one out. This is from Liquid IV. Fueling Life's Adventures Hydration Made Easy. This is a hydration multiplier electrolyte drink mix. There are 3 in this, lemon, lime, strawberry, and watermelon. 1 stick, multiply your hydration. Why Liquid IV? 2 to 3 times more hydration than water alone, 3 times the electrolytes, 5 essential vitamins, great taste. So perfect for the summer. I tend to get dehydrated very easily. I'm always drinking water whenever I can, but now I can add this little flavor and know that I'm getting extra hydration. That's great. You know, while I'm sitting here, I have a glass of water. I'm gonna open up one of these packs. This one is the watermelon flavored one. Oh, I can smell it right away. Here we go. Ooh. Oh, that's really good. It's sweet, but also tart. And I really love tart. So that's a nice flavor. That's a really nice flavor. And obviously that hint of watermelon really comes through. That's really yummy. I like that. Oh, I'm so excited. These are so cute. Okay, this is from Butanique Beauty. I think is how it's pronounced. This is Guardian Angel Revitalizing Eye Gels. It brightens, it hydrates, and depuffs. The hero ingredients in this include cucumber, rose extract, green tea, and hyaluronic acid. This is ideal for tired and overworked eyes, jet lag, pre-party prep. 4 individually wrapped masks. This is going to come in super handy because I've been staying late and waking up early while on vacation. And today, actually, my eyes were quite puffy today. So I'm going to definitely use that. And then this is one of the products that I picked myself. They gave me a group of products and I got to pick which one I wanted to be included in this box. And I picked Kate Spade's socks. These are bar socks. They look like little ballerina shoes. How cute is that? And they're black and they come with a gold embroidered spade. And this is 2 pairs right here, but so cute. You guys know that I have a Peloton. I will link to some of my Peloton videos down below. I'm making more Peloton content, and one of the perks of the membership is that they have a multitude of different kinds of fitness and wellness classes, and one of them is bar. So I picked these up so that I could do some of my Peloton bar classes. So cute. This product I also picked out. This is from African Botanics, and it's a shimmering gold oil. Oof. I forgot this was coming, but I'm so glad that it's here now because I am definitely gonna dip into this right away. See, speaking of perfect timing, this is Supergoop's Unseen Sunscreen. This is like one of the hottest best-selling products out right now, obviously because it's a sunscreen and the sun is coming out. It's spring, summer's right around the corner. People are going to be going to the beach, people are going to be going to the pool, people are going to be outside a lot more, and sunscreen is essential. So that is why I selected this. This is SPF 40, and it says Unseen Sunscreen SPF 40 is a weightless, colorless, scentless, oil-free formula for face that leaves behind a velvety soft finish. It also acts as a makeup gripping primer that's perfect for all skin tones. Amazing. This is why this is perfect and trending and super popular and best-selling right now. It sounds amazing. I've heard great things. Cannot wait to try this. This is a product from Dr. Brandt. I love Dr. Brandt, and I can't believe that for the price that you pay for this, you get such amazing quality, high-end products from brands that we know and trust, and Dr. Brandt is definitely one of those. So this is their Pores No More Pore Purifying Cleanser with salicylic acid, tea tree oil, and white willow bark. I can break out during the summer. Never mind mask knee. Mask knee is huge. That's one of the reasons why I picked this one. I'm dealing with some mask knee issues because back in New York, I wasn't going out like almost at all. But now that I'm going out much more, I'm wearing my mask a lot more, and so I'm dealing with a little bit of a mask knee situation. So this is going to be super helpful for me. So I'm definitely adding this to my daily skincare routine. This is from Virginia Woolf, and it is a wrap cover up that you can use multiple ways. I am so excited for this. I am really into palms right now. Anything that has a palm print to it, I am snatching up right away. So I saw this. It's got that pink and teal, or pink and green, those pink and green shades that I'm really into right now. So I had to get it. I am so excited to try this out and wear it this summer and see how many ways I can turn it into an outfit of the day or something really useful and handy. And moving on to the last item in this box. This is from Rae Dunn, and it says Artisan Collection by Magenta. Oh, I remember what this is. I just remembered what this is. Oh. So I just opened this up, and right there at the top are 2 little wooden spoons. Oh, so cute. And really nice quality. This is really nice quality. How cute is this? So cute. So there's 2 of them for the 2 things inside of here. So cute. So here they are. There are 2 bowls. This one says salsa, and this one is a little smaller, and it says guac. Are you guys salsa and guac fans? I love salsa and guacamole. We actually just had that yesterday and today. It's one of my favorite snacks, not just for the summer, but especially during the summer. I can't wait to use this. It's so cute. So that is everything that came in my FabFitFun summer box. I am so happy with everything included in here. I just love FabFitFun, and this box might be my favorite. It might be my favorite that I've ever received because everything here is so handy and useful and perfect for the season. I can't wait to use this guac and salsa, these little bowls for dinner, for eating out. The wrap, I'm gonna use it today, right away. This tastes really yummy. This is something that I didn't pick out, but is really good, and I'm happy to discover them just because they're so good for keeping yourself hydrated, especially during the summer when you can get really dehydrated because you're out a lot. I love the socks. I'm so happy. I'm thrilled with absolutely everything. If you have any questions, please let me know. For more information on FabFitFun, check out the link below in the description box where I will link to my blog post where I have much more information about FabFitFun and VIP membership. They, to me, are really, really worth it. You get major bang for your buck with every seasonal box, and they're perfect. They're curated to be perfect for that season, and as you can see, I am not disappointed. They never disappoint me personally, but this box, yeah, it's my favorite. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe if you're not subscribed already, and click that little bell icon next to the subscribe button so that you can set on your notifications for all. That way you will be notified whenever my videos go out, and I make new videos every single week, and I cover everything from beauty to fashion to DIY projects, home decor, travel, you name it, I cover it all. Click or tap right here to watch my last video, or click down below to watch another video that you might enjoy. Thank you so much for watching. Stay tuned. And cheers.